Good morning, everyone present over here. My name is Manoj Kumar and I am from CSC AIML. Today, my topic is about types of reading. Types of reading. There are four types of reading: skimming, scanning, intensive, extensive. Skimming. Skimming involves moving your eye very quickly over large chunks of text. Skimming helps you to pick up some of the main ideas without paying attention to detail. It is a fast process. Skimming. When to use it? In order to quickly locate relevant sections of a text and or to define our general idea of the content before doing depth reading, we use skimming. Skimming will help you grasp the general idea or gist of a text. Skimming is a reading technique meant to look for main or general ideas in a text without going into detail and exhaustive reading. In skimming, the reader reads only important information but not everything. This technique works efficiently in non-fiction materials, newspapers, and long novels. Now, scanning. Scanning means quickly search a passage for a particular word or term. In most cases, you know what you are looking for, so you are concentrating on finding a particular answer. Scanning is the skill you can use to locate relevant parts of a text before answering a question. Scanning. How to scan? Look at the question and identify what is asked for in it. Are you looking for digits like numbers or dates or specific words in a sentence? Keep the concept words in mind while scanning. It is important to understand how your material is structured as well as to comprehend what you read so you can locate the specific information you need. This is the procedure how to scan. Scanning. Scanning is a reading text quickly in order to find specific information. Example, figures or names. It can be contrasted with skimming, which is reading quickly to get a general idea of meaning. Learners need to learn different ways and understand that choosing how to read is an important step in building reading skills. Intensive reading. Intensive reading involves learners reading in detail with specific learning aims and tasks. It can be compared with extensive reading, which involves learners reading text for enjoyment. And to develop general reading skills, the learners read a short text and put events from it into chronological order. Intensive reading is used on shorter text in order to extract some specific information. It includes very close, accurate reading for detail, use intensive reading skills to grasp the details of a specific situation. In this case, it is important that you understand each word, number, or fact. Extensive reading. Reading quickly large amounts of easy, varied, and interesting self-selected material. Extensive reading, free reading, book flood, or reading for a pleasure is a way of language learning, including foreign language learning. There are large amounts of reading the learner encounters with unknown words in a specific context will allow the learner to infer and thus learn those words and meanings. What is extensive reading? Extensive reading is an approach to second language reading. When learners read extensively, they read very easy, enjoyable books to build their reading speed and influence fluency. Another way to say this is students learn to read by actually reading rather than examining the text by studying the vocabulary. This is known as extensive reading. Basis for comparison, extensive reading and intensive reading. Meaning, extensive reading is an approach to language learning in which long text and a large amount of material are read by the students for general understanding. Intensive reading is a reading method wherein learners are supposed to read that short text carefully and deeply so to gain maximum understanding. Nature, supplementary, comprehensive, purpose, for acquiring information or for pleasure, for understanding the literal meaning of the text. Covers, reading of novels, magazines, newspaper, reading of textbooks. Material selection, reading material is selected by individual himself. Reading material is decided by and recommended by the teachers. Involves reading of a number of books in a similar concept of subject, reading of a book again and again to extract its literal meaning. Use of dictionary? No. Yes. Helpful in developing reading fluency, developing reading skills, vocabulary, and grammatical knowledge. These are the basics of comparisons between extensive and intensive reading, as you see now. Now, extensive and intensive. Extensive means covering a substantial area, and so extensive reading refers to the type of reading in which students read and refer to large quantities of materials chosen by themselves, as against intensive refers to in-depth or concentrated. Therefore, intensive reading means that type of reading in which the material has to be read carefully and thoroughly to get specific details. These are the things that is extensive and intensive reading. Benefits. Benefits of reading books, how it can positively affect your life. Strengthens the brain, increases empathy, builds vocabulary, prevents cognitive decline, reduces stress, aids sleep, elevates depression, lengthens lifespan. These are the benefits of reading books. So I recommend to everyone that reading books are very good, important in our life, so that our brain gets sharpened, and these are the useful things that can help while reading the books. What does reading do to your body? When we read, not only we are improving memory and empathy, but research has shown that it makes us feel better and more positive too. Science has shown that reading has some amazing health benefits, including helping with depression, cutting stress, and reducing the chances of developing Alzheimer's later in life. So it is important to read a book or read a novel daily, so that it helps good health, to have a good health in your life. And at last, thank you. This is my presentation. And in this presentation, we learned that the reading has four techniques, that is skimming, scanning, intensive, and extensive. In skimming, we just read for getting the gist of the whole passage. And in scanning, we read to get the some specific information that we use in our reading newspapers, all things. Next, in intensive reading, we read intensively, that with concentration, so that we can understand each word in the passage or in a context. And in extensive reading, we read for pleasure, that is, we just read for knowing the things as we do daily in our daily life. So these are the reading techniques, and reading is the best habit to have in everyone's life, because by reading you can improve your knowledge and keep your mind healthy. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you.